Good morning, students. Today we will learn articles. Articles are and the a and n are indefinite articles, and the is definite article. So we use a before consonant sound and n before vowel sound. Okay, we use n before vowel sound and a before consonant sound. Here you can see that in cat starts with k. Similarly, dog starts with d, and boy starts with b, girls g. Similarly, apple, when you see that apple starts with a, that is vowel. Here, engineer also start with e, so it is vowel, and so here we will use n here. Okay, so I have given here example of a, and here example of n. Now you have to fill in the group with a or n. Here you can see that elephant starts with a, so here our answer will be n. Similarly, interesting story starts with a vowel sound, and car starts with consonant sound, so answer will be a. Similarly, universe, you can see that here it is word is vowel, but when you do in Hindi, here you is not a vowel, so here answer will be n. Answer will be a universe. Okay, similarly, a teacher, an onion, a spinach, and a European. Here answer will be a European. Okay, and a spinach, an hour, and your answer will be an ma, because ma use m a. Here ma starts with a. Here later is m, but it starts with a, so we will use here n. Okay, now next rule is use a or n only with singular countable noun. Okay, a and n are only used with countable, they are not used with uncountable nouns. Similar, for example, water cannot be counted, so we will not here use here a or n, but here you can see an is when elephant is only one, then you will use n, and when car is only one car, then you will use a. with cars with cars you cannot use here uh, articles. Okay, similarly with elephants you cannot use here an elephants. So, similarly, coffee is not countable, you cannot count coffee. Air is not countable, so we will not use an air. So you have to identify where is error. A cell phone. Okay, cell phone is correct. uh, an easy question. Okay, easy. Here it is start with e, it starts with e, so here it is vowel, and we will use n. An orange, it is an orange shirts. Here you can see it is plural. With plural noun we don't use n, we only use with singular noun. Here a doctors, अगेन प्लूरल. प्लूरल मतलब एक से ज़्यादा. वी डोंट यूज ए और एन विथ प्लूरल नाउन. हियर प्रिटी वुमन सही है. अ प्रिटी वुमन. एन एडवाइस. अ हैप्पीनेस. हैप्पीनेस कैन नॉट बी काउंटेड, so it is wrong. We don't use a or n with nouns which cannot be counted. Here similarly water cannot be counted, so it is wrong. And a table, yes, a table is right, only one table. If there was tables, then we could not use a or n. Let's go to third rule. The is used with both singular and plural. Okay, a or an is used only with singular noun, but the can be used with singular or plural both nouns. For example, use a or an to talk about a person or thing unknown to your listener. Okay, rule number 3. It was in to rule number 2 that we can use the with both the nouns, but rule 3 is different. Let's see what is rule number 3. Rule number 3 says use a or an to talk about a person or thing unknown to your listener. When your listener don't know about that thing, you are introducing, when you are saying something first time, then use a or an. But when your listener is saying that about which thing you are saying, then you can use the. Like my for example, you can see my sister has two computers, a PC and a laptop. Now you are saying to your friend that my sister has two computer, a PC and a laptop. Okay, your friends don't know which two computers. So now you're saying first time about PC and laptop, then you will use a PC and a laptop. But when you'll say again about that PC, then you will use the, like the PC is quite old, PC is old, but the laptop is brand new. So when you're again saying laptop and PC, now your listeners knows that which PC and laptop you're talking about. So keep that in mind. Apply. And for example, let's see second example. I planted a tree. Now you're first time introducing tree. First time you're telling about your friends that I planted a tree in my garden last year. The tree has now grown big. Now your friends know that which tree you're talking about. The tree that you planted in last time. Okay, last year you planted that tree. So when you are again say about the tree, then use the. For example, here you can see the, because you have already talked about this tree here, and again you are talking about that tree, so use the. Similarly, you can see here I planted 4 trees in my garden. Okay, the trees have now grown big. So here you talked first time, then use 4, and then again when you're talking about the tree, use the here. Okay, like similarly, can you open that window? When you're saying to your friend, can you open the window, so your friends knows that you which window you're talking about. So here we have used the man is my boss. Okay, incorrect, because which man. Okay, here we cannot use the man is the great suit is my boss. Now you are saying the man in the gray suit. Now your listeners knows which man, the man in the gray suit. The gray suit man is your boss. Then it is correct. Mm, Next, let's go to next example. Where is the money I lent you last week? So your friends knows about which money you're talking about. When your listener knows which thing you're talking about, then use the. Okay, use a or an to talk about non-specific things or people. Do you have a pencil? When you ask something like a pencil, so use a. Do you have the pencil that I lent you, gave you, that Kathy gave you? Okay, so now you know about which pencil, the pencil which Kathy gave you. So that pencil is special. Why special? Because that pencil was given by Kathy. So here we will use the, but here it is asking any pencil. When it is asking any pencil, then we will use a here. Okay, I want to buy an apartment. He wants to buy any apartment, but when he say I want to buy the apartment that we visited, now he is talking about a special apartment, the apartment that his listener knows, ki the apartment that we visited. So we will use the here. Similarly, for more example, if you are feeling sick, you should go and see a doctor. Okay, see any doctor. But when you say if you are feeling sick, go see the doctor that is in front of Ghadi Chowk. Then the doctor is special because it is in Ghadi Chowk. So we'll use the here. And when you see, when you tell ki see any doctor, then you'll use a here. What did the doctor say? Now see, the doctor is special here because that the doctor that he visited. So we'll use here the. And let's go to rule number 5. Rule number 5 says use a or n to mention the category or type of person. Okay, when we say about category or type of person, then we use a or n. For example, here my car is a 2011 Ford Fusion. Now which type of car it is? A 2011 Ford Fusion. Okay, uh, you can use your TV as a laptop monitor. Which type of monitor? Laptop monitor. So laptop monitor will use a here. Okay. Similarly, you can see that uh, Jim's daughter is an intelligent girl. Which type of girl? She is an intelligent girl. So before intelligent, we will use N. Why A and why not N? Because here intelligent starts with E. Okay. How will you read intelligent? Intelligent. So here it in front it is coming E. So you will use here. So here you will use here you will use N. I have given more example. You can read that. Let's go to rule number 6. We use no a n or the with universal truth. Okay, education is very important in life. We all know that education is very important, so we will not use education is a very important. We will not use a very important because it is truth. Exercise good for health. We do not use a n or here. I don't like watching horror movies. Okay, because he did not like any horror movie. So teachers should be friendly to students. So here we will not use a student or a teacher because it is, because you know that it is universal truth. A teacher should be friendly with students. It should be there, it must be there. So when something is must, like exercise is good for health, it is must, then we'll not use a or n here. Okay, or also the here. Next, rule number 7 says use the with unique things and groups. You know that sun is only one, moon is only one, the sky is only one, the world is only one, the universe is only one. So with unique things we use the, like the world, the universe, the government, the police. Okay, everyone knows the sun rises in the east. Okay, before, so that's why with before the sun, before sun we use the, and with directions also we use the. Okay, the east, the west. Rahul has traveled all over the world. Here see the word, because word is only one, so we'll use here the here. Now police is a group. In police there are lots of people, so police word is not only, police is not only one person. Police are actually here lots of people here. So when you're saying to group, then you will use the here. uh, let's see example. The police are investigating a murder in our neighborhood. So not one police is investing, lots of police are investing. So here we'll use the. Almost everyone uses the internet today, and you know that the internet is not one thing, it is group of things, it is group of websites. So uh, that's why we will use here the. he works in the army. Okay, you will not say he works in army, or he, here will use he works in the army, because army is not one thing. Army is uh, group of things. Like the team won the match, team is not one thing, it is group of players with some object of common experience. Okay, with common experience also we use the, like at the park, I am at the park, I am in the park, I am going to the park. Like I am, he, my things are, I am working on the gym, uh, I am on the phone, means I am talking to someone, I am on the phone, I am reading the newspaper, I saw his photo in the newspaper, like that. In the shower, at the shower, the toilet, on the radio. Uh, PM Narendra Modi is speaking on the radio, the internet, the press, the media, the movies. I am at the movies. Okay, he works in the movies, like that. With common experience, you will use the. I met an interesting man at the park yesterday, like that. Okay, with common experience. Did you read the newspaper this morning? Darren likes to sing in the shower. I don't listen to the radio a lot these days, like that. Exception is TV. I saw a documentary on TV. On the TV, will not say on the TV. Okay. Uh, with TV, we don't use the. Let's see rule number 9. Rule number 9 says in some time expression, in the morning, in the afternoon, uh, in the evening, the day before yesterday, the day after tomorrow. The day before yesterday मतलब बीता हुआ कल, the day after, द डे बिफोर यस्ट नहीं, द बीता हुआ कल से एक दिन पहले को बोलते हैं द डे बिफोर यस्टरडे, और परसों को बोलते हैं मतलब कल के बाद का एक दिन, और उसको बोलते हैं द डे आफ्टर टुमारो, टुमारो के एक दिन बाद को बोलते हैं द डे आफ्टर टुमारो. इन द समर, in the winter, the spring, the fall, the past, the present, the future, the 18th century, the 1960s. With all this time expression, we use the here. For example, you can see kids hate growing up early in the morning, like that. Yeah. He goes to gym in the morning. You will not say in morning, you will say in the morning. Similarly, here a friends of mine got married the day before yesterday. मतलब बीते हुए कल के एक दिन पहले वो क्या हुआ, उसका मैरी हुआ. तो got married the day before yesterday, you will say. Okay. We love to go swimming in the summer. Okay, in the summer. The man was, this was built by my grandfather in the 60s. Okay, this was है, यहाँ पे मिस्टेक है, it is this was built by my grandfather in the 60s. Okay, in the 60s मतलब 60 के दशक में, मतलब इसकी 1962, 1961, 19, this all is called from 1961 to 1969. This is all called 1960s. Similarly, from 1971 to 1979, it is called 1970s. What is the 80s? 80s means 1981. Sorry, 1980 to 1989 are called what? 80s. Okay, 1980s. In the superlative form, we also use the here. Like Mr. Benson is the best. Okay, the best. We know, you know that degree. 3 type of degree are there. Comparative degree, superlative degree, and there is was normal degree also. Then Mrs. Benson is the best teacher. Okay, Here the best teacher. uh, what is this? Liechtenstein is one of the smallest country in the world. Okay, the smallest country. Here you can say that superlative form. Family is the most important. Okay, so the most important you will say. Okay, uh, like you can say Shaktiman is the best TV program. Amir Khan is the best actor in my opinion. Similarly with superlative form are two type, and like smallest and largest, biggest, smallest. Okay, two type, both with both extreme form will use the, like smallest, biggest, and worst, best. He is the worst player. He is the best player. He is the smallest person. He is the largest person. Like that, you will use the next rule is with name of musical instrument. With name of musical instrument, you also use the, like the guitar, the violin, the piano, the harmonica, the saxophone. Hedy plays the guitar. Okay, with guitar you will use the. Is the violin easy to learn? Is the violin easy to learn? Here before violin you will use the here. It is easy. Now let's move to rule number 12 with name of body parts when something bad happens to them. When something bad happens to body part, then we'll also use the here. For example, in the eye, on the nose, on the head, in the stomach, in the arm, in the leg, etc. जैसे कि example, she had my hand and told me she loved me. Okay, she had my hand and told me she loved me. Here you can see that there is no harm in the body part, so we'll not use here the. But when you'll see in second example, the suspect was shot in the arm. Now you can see that suspect मतलब वही जिसके ऊपर शक था. Suspect was shot in the arm, in the back. Okay, so something bad happened with suspect. He was shot in the back. So before back you will use the. I was standing by the side of the road when tennis ball hit me in the eye. You can see that eye is a body part and something bad has happened to him, happened to it. So we'll use the before the eye. Similarly, the before the back we'll use because bad had happened to back. Okay, he was shot in the back and ball hit in the eye. So that's how we'll use the here. Now let's move to next rule with the family names. Okay, with family names we also use the, like yesterday I watched movie The Addams Family. Okay, The Addams Family is very nice movie and I watched it yesterday. We live next door to the Smiths. Okay, the Smiths is also family name. uh, Mrs. and Mr. Smiths, like that. Well, next rule with the name of water bodies. With name of water bodies, we also use the, like the Nile is the longest river in the world. Okay, Mm, you can see Nile is a river, and before the river we use the. Similarly, the Ganga. Okay, the Ganga is longest. The Ganga is the longest river of India. Okay, the Ganga is longest river of India. You can say before Ganga you can also use the. Before sea also use, you can, before sea you can also use sea, like the uh, there are lots of sea, and uh, the Red Sea, the Yellow Sea, the Black Sea, and before ocean you can also use. also say, like the Indian Ocean is the only ocean which starts with country's name. Okay, इंडियन ओशियन एक ऐसा ओशियन है जो किसी कंट्री के नाम से स्टार्ट होता है, किसी कंट्री के नाम पे बेसिस कि इंडिया के नाम पे है ओशियन, द इंडियन ओशियन, but all the ocean are not starts with any country name. Okay, rule number 15, with the names of geographical features such as mountain ranges, group of islands, we use the. Okay, when that island is consist of many island. Okay, suppose suppose there is island, suppose there is island, and that island consists of small islands. Suppose it is, then you will use the here. Okay, like the Himalayas are to the north of India. You know that Himalaya is not one thing. Himalaya consists of lots of ranges. In class ninth you will learn all the ranges of Himalayas. Uh, Now let's move to next rule. A and R are used before the profession. Before profession we also use A or N. Like he is a doctor, he is an engineer, she is a teacher, he is an architecture. So before profession we use A or N, and before the designation we use the. Like I met with the PM. Okay, PM is designation. Well, you know, before PM they are cabinet ministers, and before cabinet minister there are different member of parliament. Okay, and in states also there is CM. Okay, CM consists of also different member of legislative assembly, and then we had DM, means district magistrate, and before DM like sub magistrate, different persons are there. So it is hierarchy, and you know, one the one is in top, then it is in bottom, then it is in bottom, then it is in bottom, then it is below. So like that there is hierarchy here, there is hierarchy here. When this type of hierarchy is there, then we will use the, like he is the manager. Okay. Mm, uh, so manager also comes in hierarchy, like we have administrator, then manager. mm, uh, After administrator comes directors, you know, directors, administrator, manager, then we have executives. Okay, then there are lots of sub executive, like that. So there is hierarchy here. One is in a big post, then he is in a smaller post, then again smaller post. So when there is hierarchy here, then you will say the here. Okay, the manager, the PM, because PM is most important person. Then we have ministers, like different ministers, uh, Amit Shah, Piyush Goyal, and different agriculture minister, like Ramesh Ramvilas Paswan. Okay, Ramvilas Paswan is food minister. So like that hierarchy is there. So we use the before PM, and uh, we do not use definite. Now we will see where not to use the. Okay, proper name of people. Okay, we do not say I met with the Subham or I met with the Karan. So before proper noun, you will not say the. Like I have the rose. You will not say. I have the Cadbury chocolate. You will not say like that. Before proper noun, don't use article. Before name of cities, don't, or countries, don't use article. Like I live in the India. don't say the India. Mm, the name of hotels that begins with owner's name. Okay, McDonald you will not say because it begins with owner's name. And the general words. Okay, general sentence also you don't use the, like I like flowers. So don't say I like the flowers. Life is the beautiful. Don't say life. Just say life is beautiful. Okay. uh, Public building, institution, means of transport. We go to school by bus. Don't say we go to school by the bus. It is wrong. Single island. When island is not consist of many small things, then you'll say Bermuda, like Bermuda Triangle. Okay. Then use only Bermuda. But when some island consist of many small islands, then you'll use the here. Indra Park is in Hyderabad. So with parks also don't use the. Don't say the Indra Park. Before language, don't use the. She speaks Hindi is correct. She speaks the Hindi is wrong. Games, before games, don't use the. I play cricket. Okay, you say I play cricket. Don't say I play the cricket. Before months, don't use the, like Sunday is a holiday. Don't say the Sunday is a holiday. Season, summer, winter, spring. Don't say the summer, the spring. Just say summer. Just say summer is hot. Don't say the summer is hot. So let's solve our exercise. Now complete the table with words, then begin with A or N. Okay, here you have to give one example of uh, insect which starts with A and N. So butterfly. Butterfly will say a butterfly, and before ant we'll say an ant. Similarly, a bird, like you will say a peacock. You'll say a peacock. Here, which bird is letter? Which bird name starts with vowel sound? Can you tell me which bird name start with vowel sound? An eagle. Okay. Answer is an eagle. Here you will write a peacock. Okay. He will write a peacock. Here you will write an eagle. Okay. I hope you will be able to write. Now let's move to next question. Flower, you can say a rose, मतलब एक rose. And which flower will start with an orchid. Okay. Do you know what is orchid? If you know, please inform me in comment section. Orchid. Place, you can say a school. And here you can say an airport. Food item, a burger. With an you can say an ice cream. Please buy me an ice cream, or please buy me a burger. Object, a pen. And with here you can say an eraser. Animal, a deer, an elephant. Vehicle, a bus, an airplane, an aeroplane, an airplane. Next, now a doctor, a person में आएगा doctor, an engineer. Okay, my father is a doctor, my father is an engineer, like that. Now here you have to tick the in the correct option. In second one you have to tick in the correct option. What will be the answer? International airport. Now here you can see I starts with E. You can say international. You say international airport. Okay. So answer will be N here. Okay. Answer will be N here. Here you can see expensive car. starts with A, expensive car. So with that you will use N again. Okay, because A is what? Vowel, and with vowel we use N. Here you can see that in second question, an adventure film. How, which type of film? Adventure. So here we'll use N here. An important letter, a rainy day, because R is what? R is what? Consonant. And then sad story. Sad start with sa. Again a. Like here easy question, easy sum. Okay. N easy आएगा because it start with easy. E starts with E. Like here old house. Now old start with O. Then again we will come here N. An old house. Okay. Like that you have to fill here. Now let's go to uh, now you have to do these questions. They are very easy. Fill in the blanks with A or N. Okay. He buys all the clothes from an online store. Which type of store? Online. So with the specific things, which with type, when we say about type of things like a beautiful car, an expensive item, then we use A or N. Here you can see online starts with O. So here will be answer will be N. She is an experienced teacher. Do you have a computer? Because it is asking about just a computer. It is asking about any computer. Yes, I have a laptop. It is talking about a laptop and a, an iPad. Okay. Answer will be an iPad, a laptop. Here a computer, because it is talking about first time. A computer, here it is talking about laptop first time, here it is talking about iPad first time. So here will be use A or N. He drives at a speed of an hour, because hour starts with a. You say hour, you don't say hour. Okay. Here you can see there is H here. Okay, we don't say hour, we say hour. And you know that a is what? Vowel. With vowel you will use N here. Okay. I have a problem. Okay. Yesterday was a beautiful day. Which type of day? A beautiful day. Jennifer is an American. Okay. Like that you have to fill in the blanks. Next here, fourth number. Don't write in this in copy. Write those rules that I have told here. This up to page number 13, up to page 1 to 13 you have to write in your grammar fair copy. From page number 1 to from page number 1 to page number 13 you have to write in your grammar copy. Then and that exercise you have to do in your grammar book. So for page number 14 here you have to do this page in your grammar book. This you have to also do in your grammar book, and do by pencil. Okay, uh, don't do by pen, do by pencil and send me the answer. Here you have to also do here and send me in my WhatsApp number. Page number 16, 17, 18 and 19. They are in your page. These are in your grammar copy in page number 5. Grammar book page number 6. Page number 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. They're all in your 17. They're all in your grammar book. You have to solve them and send me in my WhatsApp number. So let's solve question 4. Look, there is an owl. Okay, on the roof of the house. The Pacific Ocean, you know, ocean before the name of water bodies like the Ganga, the Himalayas, sorry, the Ganga, uh, the Red Sea. We use the, so here you know that Pacific is in ocean, so you'll use here the. And biggest, with you know that with superlative forms use the, like the most important, the largest man, the most famous. So we will also use here the in the word. You know that word is only one, so again you will use here the. Here before architect you will use n. Before because architect is a profession, and you will use here n. And here you will use a. Our day is on the 3rd. Okay, on 3rd of November. Woodcutter uses, so you woodcutter is profession, so you use here a woodcutter uses an axe. Jonita plays the guitar because before the instruments we use the. You say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay, a dog is an intelligent animal. Okay, which type of animal? An intelligent animal. Then look, there is a man standing at the door. Okay, a man, एक आदमी खड़ा है डोर के पास, at the door. Why at the door? Because it is common expression. I had told you before, common expression we use the, like on the floor, on the kitchen, on the here it was there. Wait. It was yes here. Yeah, rule number 8. You can say that with the some object of common expression we use the, like at the park, on the gym, on the phone, in the newspaper, in the shower, in the toilet, on the radio. With common expression we use the here the. So in our answer you can see answer will be at the door. The man is standing at the door. Sorry, there is a man standing at the door. Okay, what's the time? Please, sorry, I don't have a watch. Okay, I don't, with negative sentence use I don't have a watch. What's the time? Look, there is a dolphin in the sea. Okay, before water bodies we use the. And a dolphin. Okay, because he's talking about dolphin first time. She went on a holiday to the USA. Okay, to the USA. USA is country, but it is starting before United. When a country will start with United Republic, then we'll use the here, the there. My brother loves to play the guitar. It is wrong. Oh, sorry. My brother loves to play the cricket. You know that before the games we don't use the, so it is wrong. India is a big country. No, it is also wrong because before India we will not use the. You know that before country name we don't use the. If you say the Republic of India, okay, the Republic of India, then it is correct. Like the Republic of China, then it is correct. Okay, the Republic of the Republic of Israel, then it is right. But when you say only India, then don't use the. The is used before Republic, United. Like here you can see USA. So United States of America. Here America starts with U, so it is right. Okay. Uh, then we have, he has breakfast at 7. Right. James go to church on Sunday. Right. Have you seen have you seen a dolphin? Correct. My uncle is manager of company. Here it will be the manager, because before the designation we use the. He works in the army. It is correct. Before group of people we use the. My brother had an accident. Here it will be accident. सॉरी, माई ब्रदर हैड एन एक्सीडेंट, मेरे भाई को एक दुर्घटना हो गई, तो एन आएगा. दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन बिफोर कॉर्डिनल नंबर, लाइक द फर्स्ट, द सेकेंड, the second, the third, the last. Okay, we use the. Okay, next, here answer will be the. It is correct. Before ordinal number we use the. Okay, what are ordinal number? The first, second, third, last, fourth, the fourth, there are all called cardinal numbers. Okay. In my room there is a bed. Now you have to fill this here answers, and you have to send me in my WhatsApp number. Here you can see that UK starts with United, so here answer will be the. But India here it is not starting with the or United, sorry, India here it is not starting with Republic or United, so here there will be zero article, means no article. Just when there is no article you have to write just dash, and when article you have to fill the article. Like sun is only one in the world, so you will say the sun. Okay, like USA, you will say the USA. The Hindi, before language don't use article. Before day, before month don't use article. Before Himalayas are not one thing, it is group of things, so before the group use the mathematics. Before language don't use articles. Before museum use the. Okay, before Ganga, river, again water bodies, use the. Before the language, social studies, don't use article. Here also you can solve this, it is very easy. Now I will explain you question number 6. Okay, in my room there is a bed. Okay, so this man is talking that in my room there is a bed. He is talking about bed first time. So when you talk about something first time, then you'll say then an old cupboard. Okay, and he is also saying that I have a bed and an old cupboard. A computer, एक कंप्यूटर भी है. A table, एक टेबल भी है. And a chair. Now the computer, now he's talking about computer second time. Here you can see first he told that I have computer, now he's talking about computer again, so you'll say the computer is new, and so your listener knows which computer he is talking about, the computer that is in his room. Okay, so you'll say the. Here cupboard, again he is talking which cupboard that is in his room, so you'll say again the, because cupboard is introduced in sentence second time. He'll again say here the, because it is talking about bed second time. Okay, here you can see my sister sits at the table. Now he is introducing table again. He has already talked about table, so you will say the here. And works on the computer, then again computer. Okay, I had to sit on the floor. You can see on the floor. It is common expression. Before the common expression we use the, like dance on the floor. 1 2 3 4, get on the dance floor. Okay, like that. And do my homework. Our teacher conducts a seminar. Okay, हमारे टीचर जो है एक सेमिनार कंडक्ट करते हैं एवरी मंथ, हर मंथ, एंड यूजुअली have it on an auditorium. It is in auditorium. An auditorium. Wait. Answer will be sixth. Sixth. Answer will be here N, because it is talking about auditorium first time. So answer will be N. It is a big hall. Which type of hall? A big hall. You know, here we will talking about hall. Which type of hall? Big hall. So before big we'll use A here. The first floor, you know, uh, floor is first. So the first is, you know, ordinal number, and before ordinal number we use the each students. This month we have it on the 15th. Okay, like the 16th. Before time expression, the 15th is, it is here time expression, so we'll use the. Each student comes and gives the presentation. Now see, it is talking about presentation second time, because he has already talked about presentation here somewhere. No, here it is talking about presentation first time, so answer will be a presentation. Already thought of an interesting topic. Which type of topic? An interesting topic. So here you will say N for my presentation. Our teacher always gives a prize for the best presentation. You know, best is superlative form. Best is superlative form, and before superlative form we use the. Okay, now again, here in seventh question I have already explained you. Eighth question you have to do, and ninth. In ninth question, again you have to use an and the. See, I went on a plane to Paris. The plane took off at 7 a.m. Now here you can see, first time we told about plane we'll use A, but when you say about plane again the, then you'll use the. Like the company has a meeting every month. The meeting is held in a conference hall. Which type of hall? A conference hall. So you'll say there is a piece of paper. You're talking about piece of paper first time, then you'll say on the table. You know, common expression like on the floor, on the table, on the piece of paper. Why the piece of paper? Because you already talked about piece of paper here, and you're again saying piece of paper. So you the, there is a picture you're talking first time of an elephant. You're talking about an elephant first time. I can see a young boy. Yeah, here you talking about that boy again. So you'll say the boy is wearing a uniform. I have received, he's carrying an umbrella, and you talking about umbrella second time, then you'll say the umbrella. I have received an invitation card. Okay, and the wedding card for the wedding. Okay, the invitation card is from my cousin. So here you talking about invitation card again. So here you'll say A, or here the, because you're talking about it second time. Now in question number 10th, you just have to read the story and say it is true or false. A thunderstorm is dangerous. You have to read here and you have to answer here. Okay, you just have to read and you have to write yes or no. Okay, bye.